Summarizing the whole workshop. Well, it's not matter of 5 sentences for me actually, because as previously said, I had underestimated this workshop. Being presentation and all, I didn't expected this kind of activities going on into this workshop. I just had imagined group of students would be sitting here, some higher authorities having more knowledge, more information on corporate world will be giving us some tips and do's and don'ts of going to the interviews, handling the workplaces and all. But it came a complete surprise package for me. So my personal experience, I would say it was fantastic. I love this workshop and I personally thank the authorities thinking capable of me to come and join this elite group. And also I would like to thank our Dean sir, Rajesh sir, especially Bhagwan sir and Costa sir for conducting such a resourceful workshop for all of us here. And the activities, yes, it did really brush up myself and I'm sure my friends also here in our capabilities and abilities. Thank you all.
Well, good evening.
Good evening.
Since last 4 years, yesterday and today, this was the first time we wasn't looking at the watch. The time we were looking at was the break, just because we need to get into the class quite timely. Otherwise, the clap was there. So that was the time that we were looking at the watch, or else we weren't looking at the watch. Secondly, I want to suggest this thing. This is the allied group, sir said that this is the allied student. I want this thing that if you could do this thing for first semester student. Actually, I haven't interacted with these people since last semester. I'm over here, but still I haven't interacted with these people. If in the first sem I would have been interacted with them, then the common language I would be speaking with them would be English, and there would be a culture transformation in our college, which is actually not. We normally use Gujarati. So I wish if it could be done in first semester, then there would be a culture transformation. And
we already put that in the motion.
Already we have started this process.
You have started.
Okay.
And we have created 7 SIG group in first year.
Oh, that is
So I dare say in 4 years' time you will see a total transformation.
yeah. And apart from that, if I want to give a Thanksgiving speech, I'm speechless. Seriously, I'm speechless. I don't have words. I don't know what to say right now. But
Thanks very much.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. It's our honor to learn the things from the Bhagwan sir, from Jadeja sir, from Costa sir, from Rajesh sir. From all of us, on behalf of all of us, I would like to thank Mr. Bhagwan sir, Mr. Costa sir, Mr. Rajesh sir, and Mr. Jadeja sir. And sir, it's really honor of us. If I can say that if someone political aspirants and he can learn politics from the Sri Krishna, then nothing would be better than it. If someone is a cricket aspirant and he would like to learn the cricket from the Sachin Tendulkar, then nothing would be better than it. Now we can say that we are the aspirants to reach somewhere apex, not at the middle, not at the bottom. Now we can say that we reach at the bottom. Why? Why? Because we learned the things from the Bhagwan sir. And who has the experience of 42 years? It's nothing more than I can, as my friend Nitin said that I'm really speechless, because it's the first time we weren't see the watch, we weren't see the clock, because we want to learn the things as many things as we catch up. Because why? We feel that we want to reach at the top. As an engineer, we forgot that we want to reach the apex, we want to touch the apex. But now we have the ability to touch the apex because we have learned the most of the things. Because we need we now know the things that what organizations mostly want, and now we can do this. On behalf of all of the students, I would like to thank Mr. Bhagwan sir from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, already